Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my July thank you notes. Aren't they beautiful? Oh my gosh, this Noble Peacock designer paper is so stunning. And it has a coordinating foil sheets to match, and I'm using both of them on my July thank you notes. So let me show you. This is the one we're going to make today. This is the Pretty Peacock color. It's brand new in color for this year till 2021. Then this is the Blueberry Bushel. Hopefully it's showing the shine on that and the design of the designer paper. Beautiful. And then this is what they're calling Old Olive. So pretty. So let me show you the designer paper, and then I'll show you the stamp set we're using. All right, so let's go ahead and go to the designer paper. Okay, so this is the designer paper. You can probably get a better look at the designs on them. So this is the Old Olive, and let me show you the cardstock color so you can see how it's going to coordinate. So this is the Old Olive cardstock, and then this is the foil sheet in the Old Olive that is also called the Noble Peacock, but it's called the foil sheet. So this is the Noble Peacock specialty designer paper. So you can see the Old Olive color. Okay, and then this is the Pretty Peacock color. This is the brand new color for the in color this year. And you can see the design on the specialty designer paper. Isn't that beautiful? And then this is the foil paper. Same color, Pretty Peacock. And then this is the Pretty Peacock cardstock color. So you can see how it coordinates with that. Gorgeous. So this is the Blueberry Bushel. This is the 2018 through 2020 in color. And here's the Blueberry Bushel for the foil sheet for the Noble Peacock. So you can see how those coordinate together. Can you see the design on that? Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. And then here's the Blueberry Bushel in the colored cardstock. Okay, so we're going to use the foil sheet and the specialty designer paper. The cardstock will be used for my FSM tokens for this month. So all my customers know that for every $50 that they spend, they get a token. And my tokens are usually a punched piece of cardstock, and the cardstock always coordinates with the thank you note. So we're going to use the coordinating cardstock just for my FSM tokens. Then here's the stamp set I'm using for the thank you, and I just love that thank you. And it's the Modern Heart, brand new in the annual catalog this year. And I already have that on the block. And then let me give you the measurements of the thank you note. So the Whisper White, this is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then you're going to score it at 4 1/4. And then the Noble Peacock specialty designer paper, and this is the Pretty Peacock color. This is cut at 2 1/2 by 4, and it's going to layer right onto the Whisper White piece. And then we're going to grab our Memento ink. We're just going to go ahead and stamp the greeting. And then I'm going to punch that out with the 1 1/2 inch circle punch. Okay, so this is the 1 1/2 circle punch, fits in there perfectly. I'm going to bring in the 2 inch circle punch. I'm going to punch out the Pretty Peacock foil paper. Okay, so we're going to pop up the thank you onto the 2 inch circle. Just going to use one dimensional. Put that right in the center of the 2 inch circle. Let's layer this piece onto the Whisper White. And then this is going to get adhered to the center of the designer paper. So pretty, isn't that beautiful? All right, so there's the Pretty Peacock color, and then the Blueberry Bushel, and then the Old Olive. So I only have 3 designs for my thank you notes, and that's going around the designer paper and the foil sheets. So there's only 3 designs. So let me show you here. So the designer paper, there's 12 sheets in the pack. So you're going to get 4 sheets of the 3 designs. And these are the designs. So that means you're going to get 4 of these, 4 of those, and 4 of this one, okay, in a pack of the 12 by 12. And then the foil sheets, you're going to get 6 sheets of the 12 by 12. So you're going to get 2 of the Old Olive, 2 of the Blueberry Bushel, and then 2 of the Pretty Peacock. So there's 6 total sheets in a pack of the Noble Peacock foil sheets, and they're all in the 12 by 12. Okay, so if you have any questions, of course, just let me know, and then I'll have all the items listed below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.